Low tapering focuses on the lower part of our head, just above the ears and the neckline. Okay, so this was my wash and go, but I was not impressed. It looked flat and I just felt something was to be done, so I decided I should clean it up. I thought a low taper would be the best option in the shortest time possible. So the top part is not completely dry, but the bottom is dry. Precisely that's why I'm able to proceed with the cutting. Size 0 to 1/8 guard, open. So I'm using the same guard, 1/8, but this time closed. You notice I'm getting just slightly close to the line that I started from when guard was open. Yes, I want to ensure a smooth transition by working gradually from shorter to longer hair around that area. Careful by controlling movements to blend hair smoothly. Yes, I'm going to do the same thing for the sides. 1/8 guard, open. And then the same guard, closed. And then of course clean up the neckline to define the haircut. So we have a more clean, refined look that maintains more length on the sides and back to provide a more conservative and classic look. I completely agree this is also suitable for professional setting. What are your thoughts? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.